Let's discuss some types of map. There are different types of maps like political map, physical map and special maps. Political map shows the political boundaries of the states, of the cities and the countries. Now let's have a look of a political map. This is the political map of India in which the boundaries of different states are drawn. You can see here in the political map of India, the boundaries of different states are drawn, which tell us that how much area is covered by a particular state in our country. Like we can see here in Rajasthan, that this is the area which is covered by the Rajasthan in our country. So political map shows the political boundaries of the countries and the cities. Now the second type of map is physical map. These maps shows the different forms of land on earth or in our country. You can say we have different forms of land, that at some places we have highlands which are called the mountains. At some places there are lowlands which are called plains. At some places there are desert regions. At some places there is a plateau region. Plateau means where the land is table like in shape. Then some areas are coastal plains and the islands. Now you can see here that our southern part of India is surrounded by water on three sides: Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in the east and Indian Ocean in the south. So these are the water bodies which are there in the southern part of India. So these are the different forms of land. Here the land is high, here the land is plain, here the land is a desert area, here the land is a plateau region, means table like in shape, and here the land is covered with water. So the physical map shows the physical features on the earth. Now what about the special maps? Special maps shows the special features on the earth, like the rainfall, the crops grown in a particular area in a country, then mineral resources found in a country, soils, types of soils found in a country, then the forest found, the different types of forest in our country. So special features, special maps shows these special features. What all things are there other than political and physical features, that is shown by the special maps. Special map shows the things which are not shown on the political and the physical map of India. Right? Now let's move on to the languages of map. Now what are the languages? What do you mean by language of map? To understand and study about the map, we need to know its language, and there are different languages of map. Basically there are four languages of map: directions, then scale of a map, conventional symbols and colors. These are the four languages of map. Now let's discuss the first one. The first one is directions. What do you know by the directions now? Directions. There are four main directions: north, south, east and west. There are four main directions: north, south, east and west. As you can see here in the diagram also, the top towards my head, or you can say at the top, is the north direction. At the bottom is the south direction. Towards my right is the east direction, and towards my left is the west direction. And I have always told you that if we are facing the map, then my right will be east and my left will be west. Likewise, there are four sub directions. Now what is a sub direction? Sub direction is the halfway between the two directions. You can see here in the diagram, between north and west, the halfway is the northwest. Between south and west, the halfway is the southwest. Between south and east, the halfway is the southeast. Between north and east is the northeast. So there are four directions and four sub directions. To understand any map, it is very important to know about the directions, the four main directions. You know students, the north direction is always marked on the map as N. you know the north direction is at the top, so it is always marked as N on the map. And once we know the north direction, it is easy for us to find the other direction. The sun also helps in finding the direction, as at noon at 12 o'clock when we stand in the sunlight, our shadow always points towards the north direction. As I have told you, if we know the north direction, then we can easily find the other directions. So that is what about the directions.